Hi, I'm Lutalo Ayi, your strategic social media expert and the guy that helps business owners grow their social media and get more customers. Today's video, we're going to talk about hashtags. If you don't know what a hashtag is, some refer to a pound sign, but hashtags are generally used with Twitter and with Instagram. Two very important things about hashtags is it's important to use those whenever you're posting content, when you're posting that picture on Instagram or you're posting information or a picture on Twitter. You want to use hashtags if you're interested in getting more of a followership. A lot of times people are doing searches on Instagram or on Twitter and they actually search a certain hashtag or a certain phrase. So a hashtag definitely helps promote more traffic to the item that you're posting. So what are some good hashtags? Well, that does depend. A lot of times using your local city or state, so wherever you're having your event or wherever your location of your business is, you definitely want to use a local city, state, or if there are acronym that's being used, you want to use those as hashtags. Also, whatever your product or service is. For me, I use, of course, social media, hashtag social media or hashtag social media expert. I also may use the cities that are in my area if I'm having an event or a workshop. So those are some of the things that you can use when using hashtags, but hashtags are really important. You definitely want to have your set hashtags when using Instagram and when using Twitter. So if you got any more questions, if I could be of any help to you in reference to hashtags or anything dealing with social media, again, I'm Lutalo Ayi. Please definitely like, subscribe, and comment. And also have a great day.